I'm Josh Lamos-Sweeney here at ILSI to show off the gcrunch user interface. This is a work in progress. UI elements will likely change as the software matures. First off, we have our phenotypic database. I have one pre-selected in the configurations, so all I have to do is enter my password. We'll discuss configurations in a different video. The study I select is what I want to get my information from, and then I can preview it to make sure that this information is the information that I want to bring in. This is backed by D3.js, which streams the data live, so it only pulls as much data as it needs to make the plots, to hopefully reduce the lag on slower systems. From here, we also can do the same for a genotypic server, or if this is a purely phenotypic analysis, we can remove it. However, I have genotypic data that matches up. And of course, it matches up the UID to the individual name, which is the default. And then I'd like to keep only the data that is in both data sets. From here, I come down to my analysis pipeline. So I have an analytics framework actually running on my local machine. So from here, I will pull the configurations that this analytics framework has, and I can find the different analyses that are run. So I'm going to choose a gblup, and then I can choose what residual I'm looking for and what formula I'm running on, as well as what trait I'm looking into. From here, I hit execute, and it will send the data for both the genotypic and phenotypic server to the analysis server, and I will get a job ID. I will also get a job status, which will update, as well as it will change the top interface here, the icon, and it will give me a pop-up when it is successful. From this job ID, I can of course come back and get the job's output file locations, but I can also get an FTP link here. As you can see, the job status has changed to checking, and we now have a thinking icon on our tab. Once this job has succeeded, this little swatch will change to green. We will get a happy little tab symbol so we can go back and check, and we will get an update in the bottom right corner. That's a happy path and a simple call to a query. Of course, we can change all of these. We can select multiple studies, and we can change up where our analytics server is, as well as what analysis we're performing, and continue running more analyses. Thank you for your time.